Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Let's have a look at some Dollar Tree crafty tools I'll be using in 2022. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have a look at some Dollar Tree crafty tools I'll be using in 2022. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by today because we're going to take another look at some Dollar Tree items that you can expect to see me using in 2022. In fact, these items are now considered a staple in my crafting arsenal. But before we do that, I want to say thank you to everyone who is supporting me in any positive way. Whether you're buying me a cup of coffee, you're watching my videos, you're leaving me positive comments and words of encouragement, I really do appreciate it. If you're looking to grow your crafty tool collection and you don't want to break the bank, today's video might just help because we're going to look at 5 things that I use in my crafting and you guys see me using them that only cost me $1. Now I understand that Dollar Tree has gone up to $1.25, but not all Dollar Trees have gone up to $1.25 and I'm still lucky to have a Dollar Tree. For those of you who don't have a Dollar Tree, make sure you check out your local discount stores because they might have their own crafty line of products. So make sure you check them out. Don't just discount that because I'm doing Dollar Tree that you're out of the game, because there are probably a lot of alternatives that you can use from your own area. And then I want to add this disclaimer. I am not a Dollar Tree affiliate. Dollar Tree is not sponsoring this video. I just happen to be a Dollar Tree customer who has a YouTube channel, and I'm sharing my Dollar Tree finds with you guys. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to get started. All right, so as mentioned in the opening, we are going to talk about the 5 crafty tools that I have in my stash from the Dollar Tree. I have tried these tools. I am happy with them. This will be my opinion and my opinion only. Some of you might have had different experiences using one or all of these tools. My experience has been very good so far. I wouldn't be sharing these with you guys. But as always, of course, we're going to have differing experiences sometimes, and that might be the case with one or some of these items that I show you. The first one that I'm going to show you is not something that I show on camera often, but I do show these from time to time. And these are the 6-pack multi-purpose clips that I get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm usually able to find these at the checkout counter. Every time I'm checking out and every time I see them, I buy a pack because you can never have enough of these and they work so well. So these are great when I'm making journals that I need to clip the pages together so that I can either run some hot glue or some wet glue. These are great for holding down pieces of paper that I've glued together and I don't want to spend the time holding them. I'll just clip them with those, or I've attached some handles to a bag. I'll use this to hold those handles down. These are called multi-purpose clips, y'all, because they are. For me, these are definitely a crafting tool. I think I discovered these maybe 8 or 9 years ago at the Dollar Tree, and I have been using them since. We use them in the house. Mike uses them to gather cords, to keep them from being tangled and looking an unsightly mess. He uses them in the garage to clip things together, to store in drawers. There are so many different ways, but I use them in my crafting all of the time. I don't think a day goes by when I'm crafting that I don't reach for one of my clips. So this is definitely a go-to item for me. And this next one is a very recent discovery that one of you shared with me. I call mine a baby spatula because you guys know I have the big spatula from We Are Memory Keepers, but this one is called a craft scraper at the Dollar Tree. And this is a great little scoring tool. It's great if you're using your Cricut and you want to remove some of the pieces that have gathered on the mat. I've been using one now for almost a month, and I wanted to make sure that it was going to hold up under the repeated pressure of going back and forth. And I have to say, I haven't had one yet to fail me, and I've used 3 different ones. So this is a new addition to my crafty tools, but it's one that I think is worth having. And then my next item is the Pokey Tools, or it's called the Piercing Scoring Set. Now, I shared this with you guys earlier in the year, and I got a lot of mixed comments on it because quite a few of you had different experiences with it coming apart. Now, I haven't found that to be the case with the ones that I'm using, but I'm mentioning it because several of you mentioned it in the comments. For me, I enjoy using these, and you guys have seen me use these quite a bit. And one of the things that I really like is there are 2 in this pack, and they both have different size piercing heads on them. So you can get that fine pierce, or you can get the medium point piercer. Great little tool to work with. Now, it does have an end on it for scoring. I don't use it for scoring. I use it for the piercing end of it because I do a lot of paper piercing. So I've added this to my tools probably in the last 5 or 6 months, but it's one of those things that has become a go-to for me in my tools. And then the Dollar Tree scissors. Whether you're buying the larger scissors or the smaller scissors here, and I think you get 3 in a pack of these. I'm pretty sure you do. I can't remember. But 3 in a pack for $1 is a phenomenal bargain for me on these scissors because I use them all the time. They work beautifully. I haven't had a pair to come apart on me. The cutting is not dull. I am going to just trim away a little bit of that so you can see how well they cut through. No dulling of the blade yet. I also have those larger scissors that have the colored handles on them. Those scissors are great if you don't want to hold the smaller ones because you might have some hand dexterity issues. The larger ones have a much bigger opening on this section here, so that might give you a little bit more comfort when using. My main tool for cutting is my finger blade, but on occasion I do have to pick up a pair of scissors, and because I don't use scissors often, I don't want to pay $20, $30 for a pair of scissors that will sit for a very long time. For $1 or $1.25, whatever your Dollar Tree is charging now, this and the other scissors that they sell I think are a great value, and that is why I have them, and I have had them in my toolkit for quite a while. And the last thing I'll share is my stylus. Now, you guys know that I use my stylus all the time. I have several styluses that I use, different colors. It all just happens to be what's next to me, but I have not found any reason not to like the Dollar Tree embossing tool. It's a stylus. It's got 2 different size bulb heads. This is perfect for scoring. It's perfect for going around your chipboard to make sure that you are reducing the opportunity for your paper to crack. It is such a great little tool. It's only $1 or $1.25 depending on your Dollar Tree. Now, if you're a beginning paper crafter, I would recommend that you definitely don't go out and spend a whole bunch of money on your tools. Stop by your local Dollar Tree or your local discount store and check out what they have to offer, because a lot of the things that are being offered in these stores now are very good for us to use in our paper crafting. I've been paper crafting now for almost 4 decades. I've bought the expensive and the non-expensive, and I'm here to tell you that I appreciate having tools like this available, especially for beginner paper crafters, because you don't have to shell out a big chunk of change to be able to get some very good tools to be able to use on your beginning paper crafting journey. So these are 5 things that I definitely wanted to share with you guys because they're going to be a part of how I craft in 2022 and beyond. So I have them all sitting out here so that you can have just that final look. We have the clips, we have the baby spatula, we have our piercing tools that come in 2 different sizes. We have our dual tipped stylus, big bulb, smaller bulb, and then we have Dollar Tree scissors. Can't go wrong with any one of these items being added to your crafty toolkit. Again, if you don't have a Dollar Tree, visit your discount store and check out what they have to offer. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Make sure you stop by tomorrow because I have another awesome 5 for 5. As always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.